point me, I thought you'd be all over me with the sweater.
Hi, buddy. Thanks a lot, kid. No, leave it
I
there.
never did get to see that other video you did of him.
What one?
I
There's
think you
many.
had one at his birthday. Remember you did one and you said I could see it?
Yeah.
Over here, Ryan. Come here, buddy. Ryan, come. That's a good boy. Come here. No. Come. That's a good boy.
Dad, you can push that out. Or no, not while the babe's here. Ryan.
You're okay for a girl. Hey, what? Dale sucks.
Over there.
Say that again.
I'm gonna throw it.
What are you doing, Trey?
Ryan, over there. Good mama. Good mama.
Rushing yards. -7. Rushing yards.
Here, catch. Catch. 2 hands.
Oh, see you, Tom. Not going anywhere. Oh, cold?
Are those Dalmatian boots he's got?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Going out to smoke a good joint. Oh.
Ryan. Ryan, here you go. Catch.
Sammy.
Oh.
I'm sleepy.
Come show Grandma how you get down. Come on. No. Yeah, there you go. Scoot down. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Scoot. That's a good boy. What a good boy.
You're doing pretty good coming down them stairs, isn't it?
Good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, all these noises.
Three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to smile. Go ahead. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Go ahead. Boy. Oh, let us have some pie.